Good afternoon, everybody. How is everyone on YouTube today? This is my HVF-18 SEP 1980s Patton circulator fan. I'm pretty sure that you all remember me making a video of this fan before. I got this about a couple of years ago. It was actually around this time, back in 2020 when I got it. I do believe it's from the 80s, and it is an 18-inch, and there's the blade set that you see in there. Unfortunately, the motor to this unit has quit working. If any of you are wondering, since I am getting so many questions of what happened to it, I have gotten identification and a shout out to Mike Grenadinite, or however your name is pronounced, sir. Yeah, big shout out to you for giving me the identification of this unit, of this motor. But it does have the information here on the side, and it's a Patton, and it is a model U21887, and it draws 115 volts and 60 hertz and 300 watts and 4.0 amp. It has a serial number. Pause to read that if you need to. Let me turn this around so you can get a good look at it. It actually has a diagram on the side there of where the wiring goes, and it did. This is the capacitor powered motor. I really don't have the time to look up the capacitor right now, but it's pretty sure that you've all seen them on these particular units, and I'm convinced that is what led to the death of this fan. But fan was having issues. The motor on it kept locking up, kept seizing up, and no matter what I did, I'd try lubricating it and cleaning it. So the fan just completely came to a stop one day. And if any of you have any information on where I can find a motor for this unit to get it running again, I would surely appreciate it. Another option that I would have is going on Facebook and getting assistance on where to find a new motor. I've looked everywhere on eBay. These particular motors are rather hard to find, and I'm pretty sure that a McMillan motor would fit into this too. If any of you may have a spare one that you're willing to sell or that you're willing to ship to me, I would highly appreciate it, because I'm gonna get this place here, my little shop here, clean before the spring, and I would really hate to scrap this, this perfectly good fan. I really like it, I grew up loving these fans. Actually, one of the favorites in my collection. And yeah, it came to an unfortunate accident. It didn't just burn out. I'm pretty sure that the capacitor might have played a part in it, but if anybody has any help on where I can get a new motor, if anyone may have one that they can sell to me or ship to me, just put it in the comment box, and I would really appreciate it. I would love to bring this thing back to life and get it to running again. If nothing is done to this fan between now and in April, I'm just going to put it on the junk pile or I'll sell it. So, oh yeah, and another thing too, Carson, I'm pretty sure that if you watch this video, maybe you could have some information for me. So, well, I hope that you've enjoyed the video, everybody, and more videos to come. And I would surely appreciate the assistance and more videos to come. Have a good day and bye-bye.